Alright, now this is a great dip to go with veggies and or chips, crackers as well. And basically, it sets overnight or for a couple days. It gets a really good flavor throughout this dip. And we'll start with our ingredients here. This is basically just a Kraft ranch dressing. You can use any type of ranch you want. Hidden Valley is really good for this as well. And this is 1 cup. And we have a half a cup of sour cream. And we have our bacon bits here. Actually, they're bacon pieces, or you can use bits. This is a half cup of the bits. If you use, or pieces. If you use bits, you may want to go with a little more. We have some Asiago cheese there with sharp cheddar. That's a 1/3 cup. And then we have a 1/4 cup of just Parmesan cheese. And then some green onions. And that's about 1 chopped up green onion. And basically, this is a pretty simple recipe. I just call it the bacon sour cream dip. It's no special name for it. And we'll just mix up everything. Do that, starting with our ranch dressing. Get that out of there. Like I say, when it sits overnight, it tastes a lot better. Or you can make this early and have it ready for the game Sunday. Bacon bits. I'm going to go ahead and just pour this all in there. There's really no certain order for this. Mix that in there. I'll do the sour cream last. Those onions, that's an optional item. And I think that's all I'll use on those. Add the sour cream. And basically, you just want to combine that and then let it set. And like I say, it's good with veggies, crackers. We have veggie chips. It's really good with those as well. And by the way, this makes approximately 12 2-tablespoon servings. So if you want a larger batch for 24 people or so, just double the ingredients. For less, you may just cut this in half if you only want it for, say, 6. And it holds up well in a mason jar or Tupperware container. There you have it. Put a lid on it, put it in the fridge overnight, and you're good to go. Enjoy. Here's our completed dip. We have our veggie chips along with our Triscuit crackers to accompany the dip. Perfect for the game or just a quick snack. Enjoy.